A very good news for skilled worker visa holders, in particular the healthcare visa holders in the United Kingdom. Andy Burnham, the government is considering to keep those on a 5 years route to settlement, as was previously announced by Shabana Mahmood, that everyone will be retrospectively on a 10 years route to settlement. Andy Burnham is considering to keep healthcare visa holders exempt from these new rules. He's trying to basically keep those healthcare visa holders, especially on a 5 years route. It has come after, as we all know, that 50,000 nurses previously have put a survey through that they've mentioned if they are to leave the country, if they are put on a 10 years route to settlement, they would simply leave the United Kingdom. And also, The Guardian has mentioned in detail that this is very personal to him, i.e. the healthcare, the NHS. I think it's his father who went through some time with the NHS. So it's very personal for him. And he would announce that in due course, most likely next week in a speech, to make it clear as to if the healthcare workers would be on a 5 years route to settlement. But it's a very good news. It's a positive change, in particular for the healthcare worker visas. Also, he's considering to keep other routes as well, which we are not sure about yet. We will know in due course. So for any updates, you can stay tuned. You can follow this page on TikTok and on YouTube, and we'll give you more highlights and updates as to who's going to be on a 5 years and who's going to be on a 10 years, most likely next week. Thank you so much for watching.